Inside the Magic, covering Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and more.
Hi, I'm Sean Spazzato with Inside the Magic, here with Tracy at Droid Depot in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. And you're going to show me how to make a droid.
Yes.
So I guess, please take it away.
So when the guest comes to the Droid Depot, they have an opportunity to build an R series or a B series droid. And by that I mean they get to pick the colors, they get to pick the type of dome they want, so they really get to customize it to what they want. We are going to build an R series today. So what you do is you have our basket.
Yes.
The bottom of the basket is kind of like a blueprint of the parts that you want to pick. So we're going to go ahead and pick the parts off the conveyor belt.
Awesome, let's do it.
All right, so you're going to need your canister. It's always the one to start with. It's like one of those. Okay, and then you're going to need a set of legs that look like this. So any color that you want that comes by. Yep. Then you're going to need a one of the smaller legs that go in the middle, and then you're going to need a dome. So the domes can be anything like this.
Okay.
Those type of domes. You can.
Oh, this is a slow-moving conveyor belt.
There's a red one if you're looking for red.
I need this.
Yep,
correct?
that's the other leg you need. All right, so now that you have all your parts, you're going to go to a build station.
Okay.
So you're going to go over there and I'll meet you over there. All right. So now that we're here, what the guests will do is they'll go ahead and they'll build or construct their droid. We have screwdrivers here to assist you, and then you'll fully assemble it. And once it's assembled, you're only halfway done because now you need to activate the droid and make it come to life. We have one pre-done. So how you activate that is you push the blinking red button, and that's what we want you to do right now.
I guess I'll push that button.
Push the button. So by pushing the button, you're going to start the activation sequence that's going to bring the droid to life.
Awesome.
And this is always a good time to start thinking about what you want to name your droid. You can name it whatever you want because it's your droid that you're building.
Sounds like so much fun.
It is a lot of fun. So we're going to see, watch it, it's going to come to life here in a second. And now you have a fully functioning RC droid. So take it out of the activation station, get the remote. So now you can control the dome, sound, you can move it. But the great thing about the droid also is it interacts with the land. So what that means is that you can take him out, walk around, and he's going to beep and boop and respond to the land. And you can further customize it if you choose by getting a personality sound chip. So what that does is you put it in here and it put it into the slot there and it overrides it. So for instance, if there's resistance, there's first order and a smuggler. So if you decide to get resistance, you go to the resistance area, it's going to give you happy boops and boops. You go to the first order, it's going to give you scared boops and boops. So you can further customize it even that way as well. And then lastly, the guests will all leave here with this box. This is great because you can see and hear the interactions with the land. Or if you further want to have that experience like Anakin did, where you carry around his droid in the backpack, we have our Droid Depot backpack as well. Yes.
Awesome. And now I have to ask, how much is it to create one of these droids here?
To create a droid like this, it's $99.99.
Awesome. And how much is the carrying pack?
The carry-on backpack is $49.99.
Awesome. And this can only be done here at the Droid Depot, correct?
It can only be done at the Droid Depot in Black Star Outpost.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Tracy.
Thank you so much.
And for more information, you can visit our website at insidethemagic.net. Thank you.